Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to extract RAR files in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and search for WinRAR download. Select the WinRAR website, click on it. Scroll down, click on the link under the latest WinRAR and it started downloading. After getting downloaded, you just need to click on it and install it. Select yes, select install, select OK, select done. After getting installed done, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to right click on the RAR file you want to extract and you just need to select WinRAR and select extract here, and now you will be get the main file over here. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.